Hello folks, time for another gear review from Wild Astro. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Salomon Quest 4D3 GTX trekking boot. Okay folks, so anyone that's paid much attention to my videos over the last year will have noticed that these are my absolute favourite trekking boot of choice. To give them their full name, they are the Salomon Quest 4D3 GTX boot. The GTX obviously refers to the fact that these are Gore-Tex lined boots, which makes them waterproof, makes them breathable, although of course the amount you're going to sweat through your feet probably is going to leave your feet a little bit damp. There's a huge amount to like about these boots. They're quite lightweight, although if you are looking for a lightweight trail type shoe, then they're probably not the boot for you. They're very protective. They come nice and high up the ankle to keep your ankles nice and safe from any twists or breakages that might occur on uneven ground. The soles on them, these are the Contour Grip soles. They are fantastically grippy. You're going to get really excellent traction on pretty much any ground apart from the loosest of surfaces there. The tongues are fully gated up to the top of the ankles there, so other than about the top 1.5 inches of the boot, they are waterproof right up to there to stop any water getting in should you find yourself having to cross streams or large puddles or anything like that. And they are very, very high quality boots, and I love them. In terms of practicality, the laces are very, very strong and high quality, as you'd expect from Salomon. The first loop there that you actually put the laces through when you do these things up, that's your lace lock, and wow, does it lock. There's going to be no slippage out of there whatsoever. Then you've got your two optional hooks above there if you want to get them laced up much higher. What I will say about these is when I first got hold of my pair, they were very, very stiff. To the point where I questioned whether I bought the right boot for myself actually, but having taken them out for a couple of hikes, they soon softened up and now they are unbelievably comfortable. The Ortholite sole is nicely cushioned and there's plenty of padding and insulation in the walls of the boot. A nice thick pair of blister-proof socks is always a good idea with a pair of boots like this, especially if you're going to be walking long distances in the day. But I really don't have any bad things to say about these boots. They're absolutely fantastic. The cost of them is a touch prohibitive. I paid £135 for these. At the time I could have got a pair of them for around about £100, but I couldn't get this colour, and I really wanted this mallard colour that they offered. So I paid the extra money, and I'm quite happy with my choice. I think black boots are a little bit drab, and I really didn't want to get a pair of black boots. So they call this colour mallard, and I absolutely love it. I think it's great. In short, I'm over the moon with this purchase. I will leave a link to these boots in the description below. Obviously I'm not paid a penny by Salomon for talking to you about these boots. They are simply a pair of boots that I have bought, found them to be fantastic and wanted to talk to you about. The link in the description below will take you to a particular place where you can buy them. Don't feel that you have to buy them from that location. If you can find them at a better price, then of course shop around and get them for the best price for you. Other than that folks, that is the Salomon 4D3 GTX Hiking Boot. I love it, it's a fantastic boot and you won't be disappointed if you were to go for it. If you like what you've seen in today's video, please hit like, subscribe, share it with your friends, leave me a comment, ask me any questions you want to about these boots, and I'll be back again with another Wild Astro gear review.